Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. Since I missed yesterday's video, I'm going to go ahead and put another one up. It's kind of a cooking and a taste test video. So, since I got to cook these in order to taste them. So, what I'm going to do is do the Hillshire Farms 3-pepper smoked sausage with Monterey Jack cheese. So, we're going to go ahead and give these a try. And so I'm going to open them up here. Then I'm going to put them in a George Foreman grill and cook them up. So we're going to see how these go taste. So let me get these open here. And then we're going to cook them up and try them out and see how good they are. So you see, that's what they look like. So here we go. Let's get this set up here and get it cooked and see what it tastes like. Okay guys, I got this preheated. We're going to open it up. I like a George Foreman grill. I got a couple of them actually. I think every one of them somebody's given to me. So we're just going to sit them up here. And every one of them I've lost the drip thing, so I got paper towels to catch that. So we're going to just put them in here. We're going to put these in here, and I do have guests over, so this ain't all for me. Alright, well here we go. We're going to give this a cook for a few minutes, and we're going to give it an old try and see what it tastes like. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes, so I'm going to flip these over here. Just make a little, flip it over just a corner. Make sure it cooks evenly. Got that nice little brown streak on the side. Man, that looks good. So we're going to put these back up here. They come along good, and while we're waiting, I got the spicy brown mustard and some hot dog buns. All I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the mustard on the bun, so we can just sit that right down in there. So we got the mustard on there. We can even put mustard on top when we're done. So alright, I'm going to give these a few more minutes. We got everything set, so when these are done, all I got to do is sit them on the hot dog buns. Okay guys, these look done. So we're going to go ahead and pull these off. I'll sit that right there, right on top of the mustard. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and grab another plate here and pull these off. So they're not totally killed off here. We're going to put a little bit more. I'm going to leave so I don't overkill it with the mustard. Probably already affected the taste of it, but I'm going to leave it like this so I can get the taste on it. Alright, so here we go. Let's give this a little taste here. Man, this has got a really good flavor. I like it. I'm going to taste it through the mustard, but it definitely does have. You taste the pepper. It's got a nice smoky taste to it. Just like a smoked sausage should taste like. To me, the peppers just got the just right mixture. Not too spicy. It's more of a smoky taste. So I definitely recommend this. And this is the Hillshire 3-pepper smoked sausage. So go look at it at your local store. I found these at Sam's Club. So if you want to look up it there. So guys, take time to comment below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do cooking videos and I do taste test videos. The cooking videos, I try to have one out every Saturday. Like I said, I missed this Saturday because I had some stuff come up and was unable to finish up the video I was working on. But I'll redo that one and have it up sometime. And also guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. And also take time to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you guys next video. I'm going to finish eating this up and I'll see you guys later. Mmm.